Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock new levels on Vita Mahjong mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you're on your home page, start your game. In Vita Mahjong, you unlock new levels by completing the ones before them. That means your goal is to clear every tile on the board. The faster you clear it, the sooner the next level opens up. Clear a level, always watch free tiles. Just match the two similar tiles like that. Matching free tiles open up more moves and keeps the game flowing. Don't rush. If you see two pairs of the same tile, pick the one that unlocks hidden tiles first. This helps you finish level faster and avoid getting stuck. Here is the trick: the game rewards speed. The quicker you finish, the bigger your bonus points. So play smart but also keep an eye on the clock. Play daily challenges to sharpen your skills. They not only help you practice spotting pairs faster but also earn you extra reward, and that's it. To unlock new levels, clear the tiles on your board. To score high, plan smart moves, use tools wisely, keep practicing, and you will breeze through levels in Vita Mahjong app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.